Hi, I'm Frederiksen, Project Manager.
My name is Jonathan Cortez, and I'm the programming engineer.
Thornton Wilson, Head of Document Control.
And I'm Chet Buxton, Director of Design Quality, and this is our engineering staff.
Today, an increasing number of mobile applications provide easy access to many tools of interest in a large number of fields. A variety of such applications are currently available to individuals in the oil and gas industry, but a single comprehensive application does not exist. The proposed project is to create a mobile application that will combine and add to many of the features offered by existing oil and gas mobile applications. The proposed application will provide an all-in-one tool for current and aspiring petroleum engineers and other industry professionals.
The oil and gas industry is one of the most important sectors of the global economy, yet remains dynamic and volatile. Professionals working in the industry need to have an up-to-date understanding of the present market conditions to operate successfully. Commodity prices and market indicators, such as drilling rig data, are monitored daily by successful oil and gas operators. Back-of-the-envelope type of calculations are also inherently necessary during the evaluation. Design and development of oil and gas projects. These two industry needs leave a built-in demand for tools in both of these areas. Considering the widespread use of mobile technology, a mobile application with the ability to serve both of these purposes would be valuable to anyone in the industry.
The application being considered will be available on iOS devices through the Apple App Store. The application will be free to download. By offering the application for free, individuals and organizations will have the ability to more efficiently use their time and improve the industry as a whole at no charge. While the current demand for the proposed application is unknown, we believe its value and usefulness will become self-evident given sufficient public exposure. The intended impact is a well-informed and better equipped oil and gas industry. In the event the project gains some sponsorship from an industry sponsor, the sponsoring company will benefit from positive brand recognition and marketing through logo placement within the application. The application will also have the potential to generate revenue by ad placements on pages with uncopyrighted content.
We have four main business objectives. First, we want to provide essential market information and engineering tools in one place for petroleum professionals and students at no cost to the consumer. We also want to provide branding exposure and improved brand recognition for our sponsor. We want to be able to offer a valuable marketing tool for the sponsor as well. And hopefully we can generate revenue from advertisements on pages with uncopyrighted content.
So the proposed project will include designing and making available a mobile app that will provide easy access to oil and gas prices, drilling rig count data, a glossary of oil field terms and acronyms, charts and references, a unit converter, and a calculator for a range of back-of-the-envelope equations. The earliest step in development will involve content layout design, information sourcing, and determining the range of content that will be included in the final product. The bulk of the project development will be tied to programming the mobile application, testing the application on an assortment of devices, fixing bugs, and revising features based on the sponsor's need.
The purpose of this project is to create an easy-to-use mobile application that will serve as a comprehensive tool for individuals in the oil and gas industry. It will allow individuals to easily access news, market information, technical information, unit converters, and calculators. This multi-purpose application will make it easier for individuals in the oil and gas industry to stay up to date on the petroleum industry, reference oil field terms, charts, graphs, and figures, and quickly perform calculations commonly used in the industry.
We have several project objectives. The application will include up-to-date news on the oil and gas industry from multiple sources, up-to-date information of the market prices of Brent and WI crude oil and U.S. natural gas, a wide assortment of reference information helpful to a petroleum engineer or oil and gas professional, including but not limited to commonly used terms, drilling tables, and fluid property tables. The app will also include a unit converter for commonly used units, calculators for a number of field and back-of-the-envelope calculations, including but not limited to casing and tubing calculations, OOIP calculations, and separator calculations. The application will also be completed by May 1st, 2016, and the application will be available at no cost to the consumer on the Apple App Store.
Design and program an app that will provide up-to-date oil and gas prices, provide up-to-date oil and gas news, provide quick access to information such as drill tables and terminology, provide a unit converter for all relevant units, provide calculators for a number of back-of-the-envelope calculations.
Constraints: access to a Mac with Xcode software for programming, limited Objective-C programming language experience, and all source information must be reproducible under copyright.
A couple of assumptions that we have is that all desired material or appropriate substitutes will be available for use under any existing copyright, and programming of desired material will be achievable.
The project will include planning and developing an easy-to-use app. This app will include news, data, reference material, a unit converter, and calculations for equations which are pertinent in the oil and gas information. The completed project will be a working and publicly available application.
The risk of this is the inability to create working product and wasting stakeholder time, copyright infringement on data sourced and parsed from the web, and Apple App Store not approving the application for unforeseen reasons.
Our project deliverables are an all-in-one engineering solution app which is working and easy to use on mobile devices.
The project summary milestone schedule is presented to the right. As requirements are more clearly defined, the schedule may be modified. Any changes will be communicated through project status meetings by the project manager.
This is the summary budget. The following table contains a summary budget based on the planned costs, components, and estimated costs required for successful completion of the project, which is $99.
We have 3 project approval requirements. 1. The app should be fully functional on all iOS devices. It should be inspected for and rid of any bugs and glitches, and all capabilities should be easy to use and fully functional. So in the end, why an app? Well, mobile applications are used throughout the industry. These apps have great functions, but none are as comprehensive as ours. Our application will bring the user up to the second spot prices, drilling rig count, and the ability to calculate OOIP all in one place. Our app, Petroleum Guru, will be the ultimate mobile tool for petroleum engineers and oil and gas professionals. Thank you for your time, and stay tuned for the journey.